Hey, oh, here we go. Okay. Hey, glitzglamfam, welcome back to my channel. All right, guys. I've decided to do the Juvia'S Place mystery makeup box winner in this video because this is the Juvia'S Place skincare mystery box. So it's supposed to include 3 skincare items, I think, and then 2 makeup items. So let's see if we got scammed or if we got played, okay? Let me just turn this brightness up. Hold on one second. Okay, let's see. Let's just see. Okay, so this is the skincare mystery box, and I will put the mystery makeup box winner. We'll do it at the end. Please watch the full video. Because y'all know we need to get my watch time up. So it comes in a box like this big, same as the other one. It does feel very heavy. Let me see if I can find the weight on here. And of course, this is the one. So last time I got 2 boxes and then it turned out to be the same thing. Actually, the last 2 times I've gotten the exact same thing. So this one feels super heavy. So let's see. I wonder is the weight on here. I don't see the weight anywhere on the shipping label, so okay, here we go. This is what the inside looks like. So I guess they're starting this new skincare line, or it's just coming out. So these are the first items to come out. So let's see. Alrighty. It feels really heavy. So this already feels like, kind of a little bit better than the other one that we got. So yeah, let's see here. So we have, looks like a little palette here, but let's see what all is in here. Love the bubble wrap. I think this was $29 maybe. Okay, so the first thing we got is the Nubian by Juvia'S. This is a really good palette. I think this is the mini because the real one I think is like 12 or 15 shades, the original, which I had, but I actually gave it away. It's a really good palette. It's reminding me of Urban Decay Naked, only way cheaper. Yeah, this is definitely the mini one because the real one is oh, this is so small. This is actually cute, but this is like a good thing because it's very like universal. Sorry guys, I didn't do my nails. Series of tragedies this weekend. So here are the shades. So that's nice. And it's super small. So, if you go on vacation and want to be super basic, take this with you. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Next thing is this Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm, which, guys, I love my bougie lip balm from Juvia'S. I have another bougie lip balm, but it's not nearly as good as the Juvia'S one. So let's open this up. It's peppermint. Oh, God. I hope it's not plumping. Okay. So it comes in this kind of, this actually looks kind of like mascara. Let's see. Oh, okay. I don't know, looks a little ran through personally, but okay, so I don't think it was closed all the way. Oh, okay, so there's supposed to be a gap there. Okay, all right, lip balm. All right, let's try it. Okay, I mean, it's lip balm. I wish it had some sparkles or something, but it's a true balm. It feels all right. This is good because, winter's coming up and I'm in Jersey. So yeah. Okay, next thing is a Luxe liner. Love Me. It looks like a red. So I probably won't use this. I don't know. It's definitely a red. It's not brown. We'll see if we'll put this in the giveaway or not. So, okay, so here's the skincare, unless the lip balm was part of the skincare. I'm not sure. Okay, so it's called the Let's Melt It Off Gel Cleanser. It's extremely heavy, 3.8 ounces. Love the packaging. And it's called Juvia'S Skin. Okay, cool. All right, let's check this out, guys. Ooh, this is nice. This is a cleanser. I was actually just thinking when I was in the shower, I was like, oh, I need a facial cleanser in here. So let's melt it off gel cleanser. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the shower and see. It says the skin loving gel cleanser is lightweight yet intensely purifying, a foaming surfactant. It will deeply cleanse your skin, leaving your complexion radiant, radiant and clear, perfect for all skin types. Let's see if we can smell it. Hold on. Okay. All right, has a clean smell. All right, so this is cool. I love the packaging. It's like a triangle. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell. It's really cool. And it's the ombre. Okay, packaging. All right, and the last item is the Let's Melt It Off Cleansing Balm. Okay, so they have makeup removers. Okay, so this has the sea buckthorn plus pineapple plus mango seed butter. Makeup melt and nourish. So this is what it looks like. Very heavy again, 1.5 fluid ounces. So I think it's the packaging that's heavy. But okay, so this one's just orange. Loves it. Okay, and then, ooh, it has the scoop. Okay, and then it's a balm. So you just put the balm on, a makeup melt. So I guess you use the balm and then maybe the cleanser afterwards. Wow, cool. Okay. All right, guys. So I do not think that this box was a scam like the first one. If you want to see my one where we were doing a poll to see if it was a scam, I'll link it down here. We also did a giveaway. So we're going to announce the giveaway winner now. So let me just do a shot just showing all the stuff you get with this mystery box. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I think this was definitely a better value than the other one, just because I already had those items in the other one. So this is a full-size cleanser, full-size balm. I don't know how much the retail prices are. I mean, the lip liner was probably a throw-in of like maybe a shade they don't use too often. It's like a purpley reddish. Okay, but thanks so much for watching, guys. Here's the giveaway winner here. You guys know the deal. Track me down to claim your prize. Congrats to the winner. Should we do 2 winners? I think we had a, let me see. I don't know how many entries we had. If there's 2 winners, I'll put 2 names here. Only because I'm super tired. Now I'm gonna film the Walmart unboxing and the ColourPop unboxing. I got the ColourPop box. Everyone was telling me get the ColourPop box for the mystery makeup box series. But this is one of the best ones we've had in a while, the Juvia'S one. So, you know, I guess there's our hit or miss. This was a hit. Last one was a miss. Definitely a miss. So, so yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind the Queen palette, that Queen of Hearts palette, I have a third one, but I swatched it. I didn't use it. I just literally swatched it. So if you don't mind getting a swatched palette, leave a comment down below because I can give that one away too. Because like I said, the colors weren't really my thing. I love the packaging, but the color story was kind of weird to me. So, so yeah. So, thanks so much for watching. Congrats to the winner, guys. Yeah, make sure you contact me to claim your prize. And until the next video, bye.